Today we are going to be working on a 1915 Ford Model T on their carburetor. We're going to open up the hood. So first, I'm going to take off my gas line. Get that. And then we can pull this gas line off. And save these pins if you have extra, you can use the extra. Take my wrench. Now it's loose. Now I can just undo it by hand. We're going to put our nuts and bolts in a part tray so we don't lose them. I'm going to put these cotter pins in it too. Oh, okay. Now we got to be careful because of this old gasket. Okay. Okay. Sorry. So, here's your carburetor. Okay, so our first step on taking the carburetor apart is to take this off. Mine wasn't tight, so it was hand tight, and you can just unscrew this, and the needle valve should come out. There's your needle valve. Needle valve. I go this way. I got it loose. Now I'm going to loosen it. Take it back over. And now, since I cracked it loose, I'm going to just unscrew this big bolt. Put that in my parts tray. And, ooh, wow, that's dirty. Oh, no, that's a cork float. It's cork. But it is dirty. So we're going to need to clean this out. Okay, so I'm going to pull this pin out. And it releases our float. This is our float. And it seems to be deteriorating and falling apart. So we have to clean out the bowl. I'm going to make sure this pin goes in so we don't lose that. And out comes our jet. Here's our small little jet. And you do not want to lose this, so put it also in a magnet tray. And uses a flat head screwdriver. So I'm going to take my carburetor, I'm going to hold it with a towel so anything that blows out, it doesn't blow on everything and all the other parts. And let's say a little gasket blows out, we can catch it. And also, this is a good time to wear safety glasses. So I'm going to take my compressed air, I'm going to go to the gas inlet. Blow. Just go to almost all the inlets and blow it out. This is something that I learned in a book. You turn the carburetor upside down and suck on the gas inlet to make sure that the needle valve is working. And it should create a vacuum. Yes, it is. So it's working properly. You turn it back up and we can install it in the car. We have our carburetor. We also have our nuts and bolts right here. We're going to put the carburetor down in there. Put a bolt through it, and then get this nut, And no, screwed on. To adjust our needle valve, and this is our needle valve. So the book says we put it all the way down, not too tight, and then we do it 3/4 to 1 full turn. So let me see this. That will have to come. That's half a turn. That's 3/4. So it should be from there to 1 full turn. So we're gonna go 3/4.